Welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how easy you can clean your siphon or your bathroom sink drain, and the problem is it's filled up. Now you can see the water goes down very slowly. To solve this problem, all you have to do is to clean this trap, this siphon here. How to do it I will show you now. You see the water is still inside, it's not going down. The only tool you need to fix this sink drain is a screwdriver. First of all, we have to disconnect the pipe. And now we can remove all the piece. Okay. Now we have to disconnect this piece. And now you see what we have inside. It's full of hair and other stuff. And to clean it we have to disconnect the other pipe also. Okay. Then we have to pull out this piece and then we can clean it up. Now use the screwdriver and pull out all this piece. Okay, and now you can see what we have inside here. Here is nothing more, but here you can see how much we have here. It's very dirty. Now we can clean it up. Here also. Now I will wash it a little bit and then we can put inside all the pieces. Okay, now we can put together all the pieces. We have just press it inside. Okay, this piece also, and this here. Okay, now we can press it into the wall and connect it here on the sink. Now I will clean up the pipe a little bit, then we can try if the water goes down properly. Now I will fill up the sink full and then we can check if everything is okay. Okay, now I will open to see how it's working now. Now you can see it's working really perfectly now. I hope I can help you with this short video. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you very much.